back in July I learned of a trick for aligning the vise on my milling machine without having to indicate it each time, and that was to machine a groove for key stock that would drop into my table. So I flipped my vise over, and I didn't even think about what all these features were in the casting because there were so many of them, and I machined this slot for 5/8 and posted the video and got all kinds of comments telling me, hey, your vise already had features in it for that. And so sure enough, I flipped it back over and I found these slots here and here. Of course, they were 11/16, which other commenters told me was because some tables have 11/16 slots. I'm an amateur, obviously, so I don't haven't been around any of this stuff in my life. This is just a hobby for me. So after watching the comments come in, many of them call me names and tell me to pull the video down. And then also watching subscribers roll in every other day, it seems. It's an interesting commentary on YouTube. It finally got to me, and I decided I'm going to take advantage of the slots that are in there. Then I can use the two that are perpendicular to that. So I finally bought some 3/4 inch key stock, machined it down to 11/16, and then machined one side to give me a 5/8 to drop into my table. I missed one thing I still need to fix, which is I didn't cut them short enough on one side because my T-nut interferes. So I've got to machine a little bit more off of those. But while I was at it, I made 4. So now I have 2 that sit on my swivel base, which also had the slots. And sure enough, my rotary table also had slots. Those were actually 5/8, so those were a little easier to make. So I'm pretty excited about all of this, and I appreciate the commenters with helpful comments, and to those with negative comments, I would say post a video on YouTube and see how friendly the world is to you.